is Charlene. That's my sister right there.
What's going on here, and why should we be interested?
Well, first of all, this is an electronic handheld tamper. It's pretty light if you want to hold it yourself.
Oh, that.
Yeah.
This feels lighter than last year.
Yeah, I think so.
Well, yeah, last year was like...
It was 3D printed, so it probably
Yeah.
had more material in
Yep.
it. This one is I forgot what type of plastic it is, but it's some sort of plastic. But, so in order to do it, all you need to do is just turn it on, you press the button right there, and then all you need to do is line up the two sides right there. You turn it, and then oh no! Wait, what happened? Oh, the tamper. Oh no, what happened?
Oh no!
Oh, it was at 6.
Who put it at 6? It was at 16, right?
So yeah.
Yeah. Can you trust me?
So what happened? What was the issue?
Yeah, so the thing is, over here you can adjust the depth, and someone set it to 6.
Which is the lightest setting? Is that it?
And I think the lightest is just 1, isn't it?
Lightest is 1.
Yeah.
What's the maximum?
Let me
20.
bring this one.
Yeah.
And
Okay,
it's
okay.
by millimeters, so 20 would be 20 millimeters.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
gosh.
and this one was calibrated to 16, so now that it's correct, we can actually do it again. So then once we do it, there you go, now it's all perfect. Then we can do a flip test, completely fine.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right.
And you said a charge gets about 1,000?
Yeah, charge gets about 1,000, and in order to charge it, you just need to turn it off. So just hold for 5, or you can just turn for it to be automatic. And it's not cooperating with me, so you just need to put it down like this.
You can't charge it without it turning off.
Yeah, but it's
Oh, it won't charge unless it turns off?
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
It would be better.
It doesn't turn
It
off
would
like
be
that.
More effective as
Okay,
far
okay.
as far as battery saver.
Gotcha. And so it uses the induction technology to
Yeah.
to
So
charge.
it just shut off
Yeah.
automatically, and then you can put it
And
back.
now you can
and
charge it.
And about how long will it take to recharge?
We haven't timed that yet,
Okay.
but usually when we use it, we just tamp and then put it back on the charger.
Oh, okay, cool. And so last year you were using ones that were...
Okay, that's what I was gonna say. I remember you from last year.
So we are Boston Electronic Tamper.
I'm that pretty. How's that?
So this was the one from last year. You might
'cause
recall.
These are the ones that were 3D printed.
Correct.
So now these are all like...
Correct. Those
Hard
are
plastic.
mass production injected. Yes.
So are they manufactured here?
They are manufactured in Indonesia.
Indonesia.
Yeah.
Why Indonesia?
We came from Indonesia,
Oh.
and we had a history of establishing a manufacturing plant from the ground up a couple years ago, so it is easier for us to do it. We have the connections, we have the support from the Consul General as well, so it's
awesome.
yeah.
Awesome. And so how much are these now? Still 300?
So we are now, the retail price is $250.
Oh, is that less than last year, 250?
Correct. This last year was actually 300. 300.
Yeah, that's what I remember.
Correct.
300.
Yes.
Okay. Are you getting one?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Oh, you already did.
I'm not carrying it home. Yeah.
I thought you made work here with them now. Like,
Well,
We can.
because he wanted the black one.
oh, I went.
Oh, the white one.
Yeah, so you can scan the QR code right here and it'll bring it to you.
Yeah, he says it.
Oh, that clear like that. That's kind of cool, man.
is
The
kinda
clear is
cool.
kind of cool.
So you can see everything inside. And
Look at
also,
that. That looks amazing.
if you put the battery over here on top, I forgot which side.
The clear one's
but
very
it'll
YouTubey.
glow.
Yeah.
It is. Does it come with the charger? Or?
No, but you can get it at any store.
It's any iPhone charger.
Or pretty much any phone chargers.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
wireless,
Yeah, these are all
wireless one.
these are the induction. So
Yeah.
these coils are what interacts here with the magnets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, there's John again.
Thank you
Thank you
very
very much,
much.
guys.
Thank you. Have a great day.
All right, see you later.
Coming back and see our progress from
All right.
last year.
I know, it looks great. It looks fantastic.
Thank
Congratulations.
you. Yeah, thank